Is your PC running slow or acting up? In this video, I will show you some hidden Windows tools that can boost performance and fix common issue. Stick around to learn how a few simple commands can make a big difference. Open Run, press Windows with R, type recent, hit enter. Recent is for showing those files you opened or used recently. Select all of them, press Ctrl with A, then Shift Delete. Write cleanmgr, hit enter. Cleanmgr is used for cleaning temporary files and unnecessary data. Just make sure to choose all of them. Clean up system files. It will take a few moments. Okay. Delete files. Write preference. Preference store data to speed up future program loading. Okay. Percentage temp percentage. Temp is used to open the folder that is stored system and applications temporary files. Okay. Delete all these files. Press Ctrl with A. Shift delete. Yes. Some file will remain, no problem. Do this for all current item. Try again. Do this for all current items. Check, escape. Percentage, AppData, percentage. Percentage AppData percentage is used to access folder where application is stored, user specific data and settings. Okay. Delete all of them, Ctrl A, Shift delete. Yes. It will take some time. Do this for all current item. Escape. Close it. Some file will remain, no problem. Cleanmgr space slash. Make sure to add one space. Then write SAGESET. This command is used to configure cleanup option for disk cleanup on Windows. Okay. Select all of them. Select. Clean up system files. Again do it. Select all of them. Okay. chkdsk. chkdsk is used to check and repair file system errors and disk problems on Windows. Okay. Diff Rock. Diff Rock is used to optimize and recognize fragment files and a disk for better performance. Okay. SFC/scannow. SCF scannow is used to scan and repair corrupted system files on Windows. Okay. Make sure to put one space here before SFC and slash. Okay. services.msc. Services.msc is used to manage and configure Windows service. Okay. If you want to enable or disable this service, you can just right click, then you can stop or start. For example, I want to stop Windows Update, right click, click on stop. Again, like this, you can start. Event viewer. Event viewer is used to view and analyze system lock. Okay. Windows lock application. From here you can analyze all your system lock. If someone hack your system, you can analyze from here. If you want to know more about this, I have one separate video how to check someone hack your system or no. You can watch that video. If you have any questions, put down on the comment section below. Have a good time.